Is it time to buy or sell super microcomputer stock? Delving deep into super microcomputer, our initial report was released on Monday, February 26, 2024. Now, we present a more comprehensive analysis in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of potential market changes that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading decisions with our newly introduced AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Utilize AI capabilities to access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 global companies today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has identified super microcomputer as a buy candidate with a score of 1.80. Now, let's review how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who acted on our analysis would have seen a significant increase of 203.44% in the last 36 days after we recommended super microcomputer as a buy candidate. This translates to an average daily return of 5.65% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating a potential further increase. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 158.26% change, with a possible return ranging from 74.02% to 214.86%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, a 72.04% change is anticipated, with a potential return between -32.90% and 99.1%, resulting in a price range of $588.01 to $1,744.78. Our latest update on super microcomputer reveals that the stock price increased by 1.9% on Monday. The stock price of super microcomputer saw a 1.9% gain on the last trading day, reaching $876.34 from $860.01. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 7.94% fluctuation, trading between a low of $830.02 and a high of $895.96. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and shows an overall increase of 18.38% in the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.34 billion. It's worth noting that a drop in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the market. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $1,077.87 and its lowest at $87.25. Currently, the price stands at $201.53, 18.7%, below the 52-week high of $1,077.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's dive into the latest analyst ratings for SMCI. On Thursday, February 15, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded SMCI to a buy rating with an initialize action. Just a few days earlier, on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Susquehanna downgraded SMCI to underperform with a hold action. Going back to Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy rating with a hold action. However, on the same day, Susquehanna issued a negative rating with a hold action for SMCI. And finally, on Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush assigned a neutral rating to SMCI with a hold action. Analysts have given super microcomputer stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Current signals for super microcomputer. Today's stock signals are mixed. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top on February 15, 2024, resulting in a -12.72% decline. Further downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite this, buy signals are indicated by both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. The relationship between these signals also shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average surpassing the long-term average. Support levels are at $862.99 and $580.81, with a breakdown below signaling sell opportunities. Although volume decreased on the last trading day despite price gains, this divergence could be an early warning. Monitoring the stock closely is advised. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 108 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. Super Microcomputer has a support level at $860.01 based on accumulated volume, presenting a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. This stock exhibits high volatility, with a wide prediction range from the Bollinger Band indicating very high risk. In the past day, the stock moved $65.94 or 7.94% between its high and low points. Over the last week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 14.79%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's review some key fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, which compares the company's share price to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may indicate the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Looking ahead, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.64. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's important to monitor them. Let's now delve into potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level for Super Microcomputer stands at $880.55. If you are not holding any shares, consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For existing stockholders, this could be a level to ponder for swing trading. On the downside, Super Microcomputer faces its initial support level at $860.01. Should this support level hold, it might serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. Super Microcomputer has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 15, 2024, KAO George bought 500 shares of common stock. On February 15, 2024, KAO George sold 179 shares of common stock. On February 15, 2024, KAO George sold 1884 shares of common stock. On February 15, 2024, KAO George sold 500 shares of restricted stock units. On February 15, 2024, Luliang Chiu Chu Sarah bought 900 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 68.558. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 444,591 shares and sold 79,406 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $830.07, which reflects a decrease of 5.28%. This stock exhibits high daily movements, resulting in elevated risk levels. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top 6 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? Our analysis indicates that several short-term signals, in conjunction with a positive overall trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity with potential for strong performance in the short term. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have identified the current price as overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, February 27th, we anticipate Super Microcomputer to open lower by -$8.90, starting at $867.44. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you assume responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. We want to hear from you, agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your target price for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you fruitful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.